Hello, I'm Dan Alexander. Welcome to another installment in my web series. I'd like to talk about the structure of the EMT 140 plate reverb. As you may know, the EMT comes in different versions: mono tube, stereo tube, stereo solid state, and quad. And the structure of them is all the same. Basically, you have a rectangular pipe frame inside of a press board box. The box is about 8 feet long and about 4 feet tall and 16 inches deep. Inside of them, the steel plate is suspended from the rectangular pipe frame. It is held in place with springs, with a spring and a clip. Spring and clip, right. And the spring and clips are attached to these paddle-shaped bolts, which screw into the pipe frame. And as you tighten these nuts, it pulls on the spring, which pulls on the plate, and that's what tensions the plate. We have 8 of these, 2 in each corner of the plate. In the center of the plate, you have a driver magnet, and it's about the size of a fist. It's circular, cylindrical, and it's screwed onto the frame. There's a couple of supports in the center of the plate, and the driver magnet is screwed there. The driver magnet has a groove in it, and there is a coil of wire that is around like some little cardboard tubular thing that is screwed to the plate itself. That coil of wire fits inside that groove in the driver magnet. When the signal is applied to the driver magnet, that coil of wire moves inside that groove. It has to be precisely positioned inside that groove so it doesn't touch, so the coil of wire doesn't touch the walls of that groove. All right, so the magnet grooves the driver coil, which drives the plate. And there are 1 or 2 or 4 pickups, and the pickups look like this. And it's basically a microphone, and it screws right onto the plate. And so the signal goes through the driver magnet, gets picked up by the pickups, and goes to the electronics, which are basically a mic preamp. And then the signal goes down and is added into your mix. So the plate weighs 425 pounds. Don't drop it on anybody's foot. On another segment, I've talked about preparing the plate for moving and moving it. I'll do another one on tuning it. Thank you for joining me. I'm Dan Alexander. I appreciate it. I hope to see you again soon.